Good afternoon. We're coming on the air for this historic moment in American history, the verdict in the first criminal trial ever against a former president of the United States. Here in New York, the jury a short time ago alerting the judge it has reached a decision in the Donald Trump hush money trial. Trump, of course, is facing 34 felony counts in this case, accused of falsifying business records to cover up $130,000 in hush money payments to Stormy Daniels in the weeks before the 2016 presidential election. I want to go live down to the courthouse. Our senior investigative correspondent, Eric Katersky, who has been there every step of the way inside that courtroom. He's live outside the courthouse. Aaron, the note from the jury that they do have a verdict.
It came after about 10 hours of deliberations over the last 2 days, David, and about 6 years after this investigation of former President Trump began by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. And it came as something of a surprise because moments before the judge announced that the jury had reached a verdict, he said he was going to be sending them home. And then there was a delay, a pause before the judge came back out onto the bench and very quietly announced, almost mumbling, that the jury had reached a verdict, and it jolted everyone in their seat. Former President Trump, in fact, had been laughing and joking with his defense attorney, Todd Blanche. Prosecutors had been smiling and sharing pleasantries, but everyone instantly became ramrod straight. Court officers flooded into the courtroom, and the jury asked for a few extra minutes to fill out the paperwork. It is a complicated verdict form because there are 34 counts of falsifying business records in order to cover up an alleged conspiracy to corrupt the 2016 election. So the jury wants to be very careful with the paperwork, David. We're just waiting for them to come back into the room.
Aaron, a couple of very basic questions to bring people along right here with us. Again, the jury in Donald Trump's criminal trial here in New York, short time ago, alerting the judge that they do have a verdict in this case. Bottom line here, Aaron, that means they've decided guilt or not guilty. This does not mean there's any chance here of a mistrial because they've told the judge we have a verdict.
That's right. They have told the judge we have a verdict. Now, it could be a mixed verdict. They do not have to decide, the same verdict for all 34 counts. It is, again, a bit complicated. The former president is accused of falsifying checks, invoices, ledger entries at the Trump Organization. So it could be that some they believe he falsified and some not. We'll wait to see what it is, but we do believe they have been able to reach unanimity on each of those 34 counts, but we'll wait to see.